There is no place like home. At home, we feel comfortable and protected. It is the one place we can define according to our needs and those of our family. We like it clean and tidy, and for this reason, invest time and energy in removing dirt from floors and furniture, cleaning mattresses and curtains. Cleaning our home is taking care of what matters to us, and over time becomes part of the family rituals, like cooking, eating, or doing the laundry. For this reason, we strive to do it properly and efficiently. We carefully choose our cleaning tools, look at performance, efficiency, user-friendliness, versatility, hygiene, environment friendliness, and even special filtration for allergic and asthmatic people. In fact, if we analyze what the dirt in our home is made of, we would find many different ingredients, among which the most common are textile fibers, dirt, skin cells, hairs, pollen, bacteria, and millions of dust mites. Dust and dust mites are not only dirt lying on surfaces, but also the most diffused cause for allergies and asthma, together with pollen and pet dander. Clean it must be, but possibly with an efficient and user-friendly appliance that minimizes the cleaning effort and time. The Lux S115 makes it possible. The new generation deep cleaning system combines efficiency and healthy cleaning whilst saving time and energy. It all starts on the floor, where the S115 floor brushes remove dirt from carpets, linoleum, wooden or tiled flooring. The brush rolls of the PB Intelligence motor brush reach deep between carpet fibers or into the tile grooves, removing even the most persistent dirt. According to the surface type, one can choose between the Power Clean or SensiClean Plus brush rolls in fixed or floating position, ensuring an effective cleaning while preserving the delicate surfaces. The AutoComb exclusive IPC technology allows an automatic adaptation of the bristles on the surface, according to the floor type, for absolute dust pickup. The exclusive parquet clip, moreover, protects the most delicate wooden floors and allows a gentle sliding of the brush. When cleaning upholstery or mattresses, the ideal tool is PL1, a compact and powerful motor brush removing dust mites from the depth of the stuffing while refreshing the fabric surfaces. But dust can also be found on our furniture, paintings, TVs, children's stuffed animals, and curtains. Which is why, to guarantee a complete, healthy, deep cleaning in our homes, Lux has developed a series of dedicated accessories, like the crevice nozzle for cleaning in grooves or tight places, or the combination nozzle for dusting of surfaces and curtains. The dirt that has so thoroughly been picked up is then transported into the first filtration stage, the multiple layers Swiss MediClean dust bag retaining the roughest particles. The air then flows through the core of the S115 filtration system, the Swiss HEPA filter, a high-quality H13 filter retaining particles up to 99.97% of the most penetrating particle sizes. The carbon filter makes sure that eventual odors flowing with the air are trapped inside the unit. Finally, a second HEPA filter with antibacterial treatment placed right before the air exhaust removes eventual motor dust and neutralizes bacteria, making sure that the air is free from any emission. The outstanding filtration performance of the S115 is particularly suitable for allergic and asthmatic people. The intelligent power control electronic, adapting the suction power according to the floor type and dust bag filling. An ergonomic soft touch handle. Foot buttons on the canister. A standby parking position. A display with big symbols. 12.5 meter operational radius make the S115 a particularly user-friendly unit, transforming the cleaning into a new health experience. For its design, ease of use, and functionality, the S115 vacuum cleaner has also been awarded the renowned German Plus X Award. Make time for yourself and your loved ones. Clean comfortably, efficiently, and fast. Discover a new level of cleanliness. Smell the freshness of a clean home and see the difference. S115, the new quality of healthy cleaning.